related to a video, but hey, life happens, dog. Life really happens, and yeah, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. But yeah, man, I'm making a video today because guess what? I got me a new car. I just bought it like 3 days ago. So the dude only wanted $50 for it, and I mean $50 for it, man. So come on, guys, I'm finna go show y'all the car. I'm currently in my truck right now, but yeah, I had to go to the store to go buy some of these because I needed them for this car. But yeah, guys, let's go check out this car right quick. So yeah, y'all, this is my Honda Accord 1995, I think. This clip from the last clip is just a little some days in between it, but right now, our net or whatever. Anyway, what we're doing right now is trying to put the hood on it. Well, it came with a hood, but the hood wasn't necessarily attached to the car, or the hood latches. No, it was attached to the hood latch. What the hell? I don't know what you really just call them. I don't know the name for them. Anyway, the thing that you bolt up a hood to make it go up and down without it like falling off. But yeah, what we're doing right now. Actually, I'll show you. As you can see, I got one in already. Gotta get the other one. That one over there. Yeah, I have royally messed my shoulder up trying to do this. Hold on, let me flip y'all around. Yeah, I have messed my shoulder up, but not too bad. But this hood is extremely heavy, and I was trying to lift it up by myself, and I ended up strangling my shoulder. So that's the thing, but I can still use it, still working. I just feel it. But yeah, so onwards I go, and I'm thinking about getting a stand for my phone, so when I do stuff like this, y'all can see me working on it, you know, like they do in good vloggers about their cars and stuff, what they do. Good, like Amelia, are more known by E-Crew, or Big Old Chubbs, or Mike might go hard. I like his SE. I like all his cars. His 350Z. I like all of them. And then there's a few more, but those are the main people I watch. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting a little camera stand so my phone can fit while I work on the car. You guys can see it. So, yeah. let's get back to this side that hurt. Oh, yeah, guys. So I was over here on this side of the car. Get this out. Hold on, let me flip it over. This right here, whatever you call this for the hood that attaches to the hood, was kind of hard to pull up. So I poured oil on it, some oil on it. You know, see, actually, the car got an oil leak now. So, you know, just started working it back and forth, and I mean, it was hard. Like I was trying to pick it up from right where it was at. It was terribly hard trying to get it up. But now, freely as a bird. So, continue on. All right, y'all. So, well, not currently. My phone was on the brink of death. Had like 1% left, so I had to charge it while I was working. But I got the hood on. The hood is on. Let me show y'all real quick. See, the hood is on. As you can tell, there was a fire of some sort up under the hood of this car for some reason. I don't know. Don't care. It was $50 car, so it was awesome. But yeah, I got the bolts and stuff in, and my shoulder is hurting. So, but that's all right. But anyway, I'm over here now. Gonna take what is it? The driver's side fender off, and because it's got some damage on there. I mean, I'm no bodywork expert person, but I mean the fender is pretty much messed up. So I'm gonna just hammer it out with a hammer and go from there. So at least get it to not look so dented up, you know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I got the bumper and stuff off over there, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, guys. So I will see you back in a minute. Well, my boots are off, my feet are out because my feet are hot. But yeah, I got the fender off. You can tell how badly dented it is. You can see it pretty much, and then bam, got it right there, all right there. Yeah, so I'm trying to do the best I can, like I said. What's up, guys? I just wanted to say I am sorry that this video is like ending so abruptly, just cut off, because right now I had broken my phone. I broke my phone, and it's barely like I dropped it. Okay, so how I dropped it, and it fell face first into a pile of rocks, and it cracked it just enough to put like damage across the screen. And here for the past couple of days, it's been blanking out and all that other stuff. So I'm barely getting to use it now. I turned it on, and it was actually like perfect color. How not perfect color, but it still has a line running through it. But yeah. Anyway, I got to be able to actually see on it and do some stuff. So this video is going to end abruptly because I messed up my phone, and I got another one coming in about 2 days. So videos will begin again after the last times when me stopping and starting again. And yeah, so I just got to get back into the swing of things. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. More things to come for the Honda. Yeah.